H.C. Verma Solution, Chapter 2, Physics and Mathematics, Question number 3. Add vectors A vector, B vector and C vector each having magnitude of 100 unit and inclined to the x-axis at angles 45 degree, 135 degree and 315 degree respectively. Here each vectors have equal magnitudes, that is 100 unit. Let us draw it in the figure. Here it is x-axis, it is y-axis. A vector has the 100 unit magnitude which at the angle 45 degree with the x-axis. B vector makes an angle 135 degree with the x-axis. Again C vector makes 315 degree with the x-axis. Here I have done this question, I have solved this question in the easiest method. From the figure here we can see, if we look at to B vector and C vector, and if we calculate the angle between B vector and C vector, then the angle between B vector and C vector is 315 degree minus 135 degree is equals to 180 degree. Here the angle between B vector and C vector is 180 degree. That means B vector and C vector are facing towards opposite direction, exactly opposite direction. Here B vector has also the magnitude 100 unit and C vector has also the magnitude 100 unit, and these two vectors are equal and opposite vectors. Opposite vectors with equal magnitude. That's why the effect of B vector will be cancelled by the effect of C vector, or we can say the resultant of B vector and C vector is 0, or we can do it in mathematically as well. Let's see here. Let f denotes the magnitude of A vector, B vector and C vector respectively. Thus A vector magnitude is equals to B vector magnitude is equals to C vector magnitude is equals to f, that is equal to 100 unit. Here let us find the resultant of B vector and C vector at first. Angle between B vector and C vector is 315 minus 150 is 135 is equals to 180 degree. Thus B vector and C vector are opposite vectors with equal magnitude. Thus resultant of B vector and C vector is 0. Or we can do it as follows. Resultant of B vector and C vector, since the vectors are of equal magnitude, thus we can use this formula 2f cos theta by 2. 2f is 100 dot cos theta by theta is 180 divided by 2 is equals to 90 degree, but the value of 90 degree is 0, therefore the resultant will be 0. That means the resultant of B vector and C vector is 0, and only the remaining vector here is A vector, and this A vector itself is the resultant vector. Therefore only remaining vector is A vector at 45 degree with x-axis. Thus A vector itself is the resultant vector, or we can write resultant vector is equals to 100 unit at 45 degree with x-axis. You can do it in another components method as well, but this is the easiest method with which we can do this problem. Thank you.